Hey, what's up guys, this is Sandeep Sky, and in this video I'm going to show you how to install Windows Store on Windows 11 LTSC. So let's get started. So first of all, let me show you my Windows 11 LTSC version info. So to install Windows Store on Windows 11 LTSC, so you need to first open your web browser and search for Xbox app PC and hit enter. Now click on the first link from Xbox and download the Xbox PC app. Now after that, go into the downloads directory and open the Xbox installer. Now select I have read the accept terms and click on install. This will take a while, so I'm going to fast forward this part. So finally the installation is complete. Now it will automatically launch the Xbox app. So you can also uncheck all these options and click on done. Now when opening the app, you should see a notification that you have missing dependencies or some missing components. So just click on this notification and you will see the missing components. So you will see Microsoft Store in the list, so just click install on Microsoft Store. And if you also want the other components, then you can also install them. For now, I'm just going to install the Microsoft Store. So this may take a while depending on your internet connection. So as you can see, Microsoft Store is installed. Now you can click on the store to open it. Now you can close the Xbox app if you want. Now you can use the Microsoft Store to install any application you want. So let me show you the example that the Microsoft Store works. So let me install the Photos app, which is also missing in Windows 11 LTSC. So this may take a while, so I'm going to fast forward this part. So as you can see, Windows Photos app is installed. So now you can also remove the Xbox app if you don't like it, and by removing the Xbox app, it will not remove the Windows Store. So that's a good reason to remove Xbox app if you don't want it. So I'm just going to remove the Xbox app, and let me show you that it does not remove Windows Store. So Xbox app is removed, but our Microsoft Store is still there. So that's it for the video guys. Thank you for watching. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, please leave a like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.